Okay, good morning children. In previous class I explained about climate of India. Under that what is called weather, what is called climate I explained. అంటే క్లైమేట్ అంటే ఏంటి, వెదర్ అంటే ఏంటి, రెండు అంశాల గురించి మీకు కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పేశాను. సరే, ఇప్పుడు మనం క్లైమేట్ వెదర్ రిపోర్ట్ సంబంధించిన అంశాలను మనం ఢిల్లీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఎలా ఉంటాయో ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. మనం ఇక్కడ క్లెమోగ్రాఫ్ అంటే ఉష్ణోగ్రతని, అంటే ఎక్కువ ఉష్ణోగ్రత తక్కువ ఉష్ణోగ్రత, వర్షపాతం అంటే రెయిన్ఫాల్, టెంపరేచర్, బోత్ the conditions we are showing on only one graph, that is called climograph. I explained in previous class. Climograph, what is called climograph and what are recorded in New Delhi? In New Delhi, what are the important things are recorded here? See, in this climograph there are two important things are there. I show here on the blackboard. One is bar diagrams show as a rainfall, and remain in pink color. Two lines are there. These are line graph. That is line graph. That is temperature. Bar graphs and line graph both are which is in only one graph, that is called climograph. Now, from x-axis 0 to x-axis, this is x-axis, and this is y-axis and x-axis. So we are going to discuss two important things. On x-axis we show on only months. On y-axis, left side y-axis, millimeters of rainfall, and here right side y-axis, that is temperature in degrees centigrade. Temperature in millimeters, rainfall in millimeters, and temperature degrees in centigrade I show on graph. Now you observe what are there. June month below 50 millimeters of rainfall is there. February, March, April, May, up to May 50 millimeters below the rainfall is there. In June month just 51 or 52 millimeters of rainfall is there. July month 150 above, nearly 160, 170 rainfall is there in July month. In August month nearly 200 millimeters of rainfall which is happened in New Delhi. And later April, after June, July, August, September nearly 100 millimeters. October, November, December, that's happening only below 50 millimeters of rainfall. This is about rainfall. Remain temperature lines, two are there. One is this is maximum temperature, this is minimum temperature. So see here, maximum temperature and the minimum temperature. Temperature I showed on right side on y-axis. So you see that is happening. That is minimum temperature, the 5 degrees to up to reaching nearly 25 degrees, and maximum temperature, that's 20 degrees to up to 40 degrees of temperature which is recorded. This is highest is recorded in May month or April month. Highest temperature is recorded in the April month, and the lowest temperature is recorded in what that is January month. So this is very important things. Now you see boys, what I am asking the questions, you see by observation of the map, the climograph, by observation of climograph, I will ask some important questions. The number one first question is in which month maximum temperature is recorded in Delhi? In which month maximum temperature is recorded? Maximum temperature is recorded in Delhi. So this is the maximum temperature. No, here where is highest? This is highest. So that's why you come to this. So in April month, in which month? April month. Answer April month. April month, that is highest temperature is recorded, that is maximum temperature is recorded. And next question, that is in which month highest rainfall is recorded in Delhi? Rainfall, you see, rainfall, that is August, June, July, August month rainfall nearly 200 mm is recorded. So that is answer is August. Highest rainfall is recorded. And next one, in which month lowest rainfall is recorded? Lowest rainfall, it means lowest rainfall that is recorded in here, that is November and the December months. November and answer is November and December months. Lowest rainfall in which months recorded? November and December. In which month maximum temperature is, minimum temperature is recorded? Minimum temperature recorded. Minimum temperature means lowest temperature that is recorded in January month. In which month? January month. January month, lowest temperature is recorded. So this is the most important table which is coming in public examination. So boys, what I am doing, you observed, no? We go through the next one, that is next another climograph, that is a Chennai climograph. Thank you.